Hello! I kind of want to do a sensory check on this cord that I'm wearing right now. I really want to start making these in the future because I'm someone with a lot of sensory issues, and I feel like this would be helpful for other neurodivergent Lolitas or people who want to experiment in J fashion. So first of all, let me just start with the blouse. That's what I noticed the most. This blouse was actually recommended to me by a lot of neurodivergent and like autistic Lolitas because apparently they're supposed to be very sensory friendly. The material is like really soft, but I can feel the like armpit seam. That's the only thing that is a little uncomfortable. Otherwise, it's okay in the chest area. The fabric is like soft enough. You'd think that these like princess sleeves would get in the way, but they don't. Like I just went grocery shopping and to get, bubble tea. Totally okay. I'm actually like decently happy with it. It's just a little tight in the armpits. But other than that, like really nice. This blouse I got through 42 Lolita. The brand is Gilia, if I am pronouncing that correct. I do have a discount code. It's I_forgot_reality. There's my self promo. This dress, okay, this is gonna sound a little weird. So people either love or they hate corsets. It either makes them feel claustrophobic and too tight, or if you're like me, it feels like a hug. Like it feels like a tight hug. And this has like boning in it, so it's really tight fitting, and then it has lacing in the back and cheering. It makes me feel like I'm being hugged 24/7. I kind of love it. Like it's comforting. It feels really nice to be in. And it's just like very beautiful, but I hate how I corded it. Headpiece digging in behind my ears. Better not be a migraine trigger for me. I swear I've been getting them so frequently lately. I can't do any more headaches. Cannot do especially any more migraines. The tights, surprisingly comfortable from someone who cannot wear tights for more than a couple hours. These are like velvety smooth. I'm pretty sure they're from My Lolita Dress, but I don't remember the brand. These shoes are from Antenna. The one thing is that they're wide. They're really wide. These are size 42 or US women's 10s. And like if I lift my foot up, like everything comes up. And they run big too. So I think I need like grippy socks or to double my socks or something. But the heel is like perfect. Like it's super comfy to walk in, like heel wise, perfect height. And these ankle straps are like the perfect size. Like they fit so well finally. But overall, like decently happy with this cord, just the armpit seams and my feet lifting up. But otherwise, pretty solid for sensory issues. I could wear this probably to the office and be okay for 9 hours, 9 to 6. Okay, that's it. Thank you for joining us.